Hi, this is JTwisdom with Bubbling with Elegance and Grace.com, and it's time to have some beauty with benefits. And we'll see what I mean by that in a minute. Hey, beauty with benefits. What does that mean, beauty with benefits? Basically, on QVC.com and HSN.com, they're actually having beauty with benefits where we're having, basically, they're having like tons of different beauty brands that are actually offering and donating items where 80% of the purchase price will go towards cancer and careers. And this is will be helping cancer survivors who are navigating and dealing with different needs as it pertains to COVID-19. Cancer and careers, the portion of the proceeds for this year's Beauty with Benefits campaign will go directly towards the cancer community navigating COVID-19 and related obstacles. So that's what it's going to. And for more information on cancer and careers, you can check it out right here. And one of the good things, many things about this is that you are able to shop from the donated items from the brands, and from that you're actually getting a free, like a beauty bag, which I have here, a beauty bag that is actually, it comes around to, it's actually approximately $230 worth of products. And I wanted to show you, because it's a little bit, it's not like right on the front page. So this is actually the Beauty with Benefits page, and actually there's more information on Beauty with Benefits. Juliana Rancic actually talks about how she's a survivor and how having support actually really helped her so much. And actually it talks about the Brave is Beautiful, which I know that all the brands that donated really believe that Brave is beautiful. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the different the people who have, and different brands that have actually donated. And if you scroll down, you'll also see all the different products. So you can actually get something for $25. You can get something for, if you would like to get something for $125. You have so many choices. And so what I got the Josie Maran Surreal Balm Enlightenment Wand and Mascara. So I got that. And so I'll show that. That's actually what I got. I'll move my laptop out the way here. So this is actually, so I got the Josie Maran. This is, I wanted to try something that I hadn't tried before. So this is a Josie Maran Surreal Finishing Balm. And this is the Josie Maran Argan Black Oil Mascara. And this is like the lightning balm, and you can put this on your cheek, like your chin, your brow bone. And so I tried that, and that's something I had not tried before. So I actually bought that, and so 80% of that is going towards cancer and careers. So out of this, I got for free, I got a beauty bag. So it says Brave is Beautiful, and in the beauty bag, actually the one of the free items is the Summer Honey Peach, which is the Win Summer Honey Peach Cleansing Conditioner. That's actually a full size. It's not a sample size. And then this is Caress, and this is in this is a body lotion. So I got that. I've tried Caress, but I haven't tried this body lotion. And this is, looks like it's, let me see here, it's Body Cream Peach Blossom. So that's a full size product. This is, I've never tried this before, but this is aqueous. I hope I'm saying that right. It's aqueous 04, and it is like a leave-in conditioner, and it's also it's clean beauty too. So I want to try that. And here's this is a small size of Purity, but Purity is so thick that you'll get a lot of facial washes out of this. So that's a small, and that's also good to keep too if you want to like take it on your travels or something like that. It's really compact and nice. So this is a sample of Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. Let me show you what it's so. And then so it's that. And then there's the Skin Fix AHA, AHA Renewing Cream. It's a sample of that. And then there's the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. I've never tried that, so it's good to have a sample to see what that's like. And then there's also Josie Maran 100% Argan Oil, which is one of my staples that I use every day. And this is a sample size, a small size of it. This is good too for like when you're traveling and everything. That's a nice size to have too. And this is a sticker that you can put on your, it's a magnetic sticker you can put on your refrigerator, and it says Cancer and Careers, Be the Boss Over Cancer. And then there's the actual website address to find out find out more information about the organization. And this is, see, this is in a little plastic. So far, I mean, I'm really liking everything I'm seeing here. This is SK, and this is actually another like moisturizer, which is good. It's Radical New Age moisturizer, and it's SK2 moisturizer. And this is Mally Beauty, and this is Eye Color Shadow Stick. And I really like these for using these sticks for your eyes. It's really nice, copper kind of bronzy, kind of shimmery kind of look, which is nice. And then this is Elemis. This is papaya enzyme peel. I've tried the Elemis moisturizer, so this will be interesting to try the peel. And then this is Tula Instant Facial Sample, which is really nice. I haven't tried that before. And this is Bare Essentials. This is actually like one of those, to actually, even out your concealer and everything. And then, so that's really neat. Show you what that looks like. And you can just rinse that off. Usually the kind I have, they look like they're spongy, but this one I can just, it's like it's really nice, and all I have to do is just run it under water and wash it, and that's cool. And it has its own little case to it, all this little case and everything. And then there's Bright Eyes. So this is by Beauty by O. These are like little like you put underneath your eyes to reduce puffiness. So that'll be really neat because I haven't tried that before either. So this is the Beauty Bio Bright Eyes. It's collagen eye gel, which is neat. And that's a lot to be able just to get that just to get all that as just as a thank you for purchasing one of the brands that has been donated for Beauty with Benefits to actually give 80% of the proceedings to Cancer and Careers. So That is awesome. So I will, since it's a little difficult to navigate, I will put the link in the comment section below. This is not a sponsored video. This is just from my heart saying what a good way to actually be a help and to be a light. And just by doing things that we like to do, where we like to shop. So what better way to shop, and actually you're helping someone at the same time. So I will put the link in the comment below. And again, just to say that this is the gift bag for donating from the beauty brands that have actually donated. And 80% of the proceeds are going to cancer and careers. And this is basically to help cancer survivors navigate needs during the COVID pandemic. Just check out the link and shop, because 80% of the proceeds go towards cancer and careers. So shop. So this is JT Wisdom. Be elegant, be graceful, and be you. And God is for you.